Worried your loan won't get approved for a rental property? Don't stress. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps to boost your approval odds and get that big green check from your lender. Hey friends, it's Sarah May. I'm a real estate broker and investor here in Central Florida. Welcome back to my rental investment series. In this video, I'm walking you through how to prep for financing your first or next rental so you're ready when the perfect deal comes along. When you apply for a mortgage loan, lenders are really asking one thing. Can you repay this loan? And how risky is it for us to lend you money? They're going to look at two things: you, the borrower, and the property you're buying. So here's what matters most. First, let's talk about the property itself. Is it in a stable or growing market? Will it need a ton of repairs? Is it a single-family home, a condo, or a multifamily building? All of these things affect how lenders view your deal, and the bigger the loan, the stricter the requirements can be. Now let's talk about you as the borrower. Aim for a credit score of at least 680 for most investment loans. Keep your debt-to-income ratio under 43%. Plan for a down payment of 20 to 25%. Some lenders like to see landlord experience, but it's not always required. What they do want to see is stable income, whether that's from a job, self-employment, or rental cash flow, and cash reserves of 3 to 6 months of expenses just in case things don't go as planned. One big tip: avoid opening new credit cards or loans right before applying. That can raise a red flag. Next, let's talk about getting your documents ready. Having these on hand will make your life so much easier when it's time to apply. You'll want to have your last 2 years of tax returns, W-2s or 1099s, recent pay stubs, a personal financial statement listing your assets and debts, bank statements from the past few months, and if the property is already rented out, a copy of the lease or rent roll. A quick pro tip: ask your lender for their checklist ahead of time. They'll appreciate how prepared you are. Finally, not all lenders are created equal, especially when it comes to investment loans. Some of the best options include mortgage brokers who specialize in investor loans, local credit unions or community banks, portfolio lenders who keep your loan instead of selling it, and for unconventional deals, hard money or DSCR lenders. Always shop around and compare interest rates, fees, and closing timelines. Getting approved for a rental property loan doesn't have to feel overwhelming. If you know what lenders need and you come in prepared, you'll stand out from the crowd and move one step closer to owning that investment property. Got questions about your loan situation? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help or cover them in a future video. And don't forget to subscribe. Next up, we're talking about how to pick the best rental properties for long-term success.